Welcome, my dear friends. Myself, Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande, would like to welcome you all in this video, which is regarding the Shalakya Tantra syllabus. This is very useful video for the fourth year BAMS students, Ayurveda students, and this includes ear, nose, throat, and also the eyes. So myself is Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande. I am MD in Ayurvedic medicine and MD in Ayurvedic physiology. This is my WhatsApp number 9226810630. My dear friends, I request all of you that please subscribe my YouTube channel Ayurveda Academy, because this particular my channel includes all the subjects playlist. In playlist there are all the subjects from first year, second year, third year, fourth year BMS. It includes the Rachana Sharira, Kriya Sharira, then Roga Nidan Vikruti Vijnan, Dravya Guna Vijnan, Shastra, and also the Sri Roga Prasuti Tantra, Agata Tantra, every subject, and also Kaya Chikitsa, Panchakarma, Shalya, Shalakya. And in this particular playlist, in all subjects, there are question papers, there is a syllabus, and there are different audios and videos of each subject. So my Ayurveda Academy channel is very useful for the students, teachers, professors, and also for the common man or the patients, and also the upcoming doctors. They learn a lot about from my Ayurveda Academy channel. So I request all of you, please subscribe my YouTube channel. So purpose of this PPT, this is based on the new syllabus of CCIM, Central Council of Indian Medicine, and it is very useful to give the students ATP, Advanced Teaching Program. So very useful for the teachers and students. They can recite the syllabus, which can boost up their confidence. Students should concentrate on the syllabus first. Shalakya Tantra, I'm sorry, ENT and ophthalmology. There are two papers. Paper 1 is regarding the ear, nose, throat, and paper 2 is regarding the ophthalmology or the eyes. Practical is of 100 marks. So, Netra paper 1, I am sorry, it starts with the ophthalmology paper 1, introduction, Shalakya Tantra Nirukti, then Parichay Itihas, Netra Rachana Sharira. Try to understand anatomy of the eye, modern anatomy of the eye, which you have already learned in the first year BMS, then eye examination and knowledge of basic instruments or equipments required for examination of eye. Then there is a Samanya Hetu, Hetu means causes, then prodromal symptoms, classification of eye diseases, Netra Roga, then Kriya Kalpa, whatever the procedures that we do for the eyes, putting eye drops, Ashtotana, Pindika, Vidalaka, Tarpana, Putapak, Anjana, and also the Panchakarma procedures related with the ophthalmology or the Netra. Then basic fundamentals of Netra Shastra Chikitsa, for example, Amavastha, Pachamana Avastha, Pakvavastha, okay, Vranashoth, that you have to learn. Then methods and conception of sterilization, because in all the surgical, parasurgical branches, like for example, the surgery, then the ENT and ophthalmology, then gynecology, and also the pediatrics, wherever surgery is there, sterilization is most important. Then basic applied knowledge of Ashtavidha Shastra Karma, Agni Karma, Kshara Karma, and Rakta Mokshan, especially related to the Netra Rog or the eye diseases. Okay, number of Sandhigata Roga, that is for example Puya Lasaka and Sarva Rogas. Brief study of Krimi Granthi, Parvani, and allergy rog. Study of acute and chronic dacryocystitis, that is related with here, that lacrimal gland is there. Epiphora and blepharitis is the inflammation of the eyelid. Then there are number of what you can say the Vartmagata roga. Vartmagata means eyelid, the diseases of the eyelid. For example, Anjana Namika, Utsangini, then वातहत वर्तम pakshma कोप शीत sikata varma pothaki. Okay, all these diseases you have to study in these eyelid diseases. Then vartmagata roga, modern aspect, hordeolum, that is sty, ptosis, then trachoma, trichiasis, entropion, that eyelashes move inside, and ectropion, eyelashes go outside, entropion, ectropion. So these different diseases. Then Shuklagata Roga, diseases of the white part, sclera and conjunctiva. Number of Shuklagata Rogas, for example, Arma, Arjuna, and Shuktika. Then again converted to the modern aspect, that is pterygium, scleritis, episcleritis, subconjunctival hemorrhage, that all related with the sclera and conjunctiva. Then Krishnagata Roga, Krishnagata, that is the disease of the cornea and uvea. Krishnagata Rogas are, what is example? Shukra. Then Avarana Shukra, that is Shukla. Brief knowledge about the Sira Shukla, then Akshi Pakate and Ajakajat. Ajakajat. These are the names from the Ayurvedic aspect. Then, if you consider the modern aspect, knowledge of the corneal ulcer, corneal opacity, acute iridocyclitis, and staphyloma. These are the diseases. You have to know the causes, symptoms, and differential diagnosis, complications, and management. Sarvagata Roga, diseases affecting all parts of the eye, that is called as the Sarvagata Rogas. For example, Abhishand, Adhimantha, okay, and Shushkakshi Pak. Brief knowledge about the Amloshita Vat, Paryaya, Anyato Vat, okay. So all these rogas, Shirotpat and Shiraharsha, all these related with the affecting all parts of the eye. Knowledge of conjunctivitis, glaucoma, and dry eye syndrome. This is very common nowadays because of the computer increased screen time. Mobile, laptop, desktop, computer, television, that makes the dry eyes and asthenopia. You get tired immediately. Okay. Number of the Drishtigata Roga, vision disorders, Timir, Kats, and Linganasha. Okay. Then what is that? Linganash, different types of Linganash are there. Then Naktandhya, night blindness. Ushna Vidagdha Drishti, Pitta Vidagdha Drishti. All these type of the Ayurvedic aspects of those diseases you must know. Knowledge of the refractive errors and cataract, that you must know. Then Netra Roga, paper 1.3 or sorry 8, that is Drishtigata Roga, vision disorders, study of the hypertensive and diabetic retinopathies, age-related macular degeneration, strabismus, retinitis pigmentosa, night blindness, amblyopia, central serous retinopathy, optic neuritis, and optic atrophy. Miscellaneous diseases, ophthalmia, vitamin, A deficiency, and other malnutritional eye disorders. Knowledge of ocular trauma, injury, and their management. For example, eye bank, eye donation, and corneal transplantation. This modern aspect you must know. Preventive ophthalmology and community ophthalmology. Then Shira, Karna, Nasa, Mukharogas, paper 2. Okay. So, Samanya Chikitsa, for example, what you do for the ENT problems, Svedana, Kavala, Gandusha, Dhuma, Ayurvedic Dhumapana, not tobacco smoking. Then Murdhnataila, application of the hair oil, Nasya, okay, Karna Purana, filling the ears with the oil, Karna Prakshalana, washing of the eyes, Nasa Prakshalana, and Mukhalep, okay. Then Netra paper 2.1 Samanya Chikitsa Ashtavidha Shastra Karma. Then Shiroroga, different features of the Shirorogas, and Kapalagata Rogas, all the head diseases, brain diseases. Detailed studies of the Shirorogas like Vataja, Pittaja, Kafaja, Shirsha, Shula, headache, Surya Avarta, Ardhava Vedak like migraine, Khalitya and Palitya, you know these terms. Khalitya is a falling of the hair, early premature, and Palitya is a early graying of the hair. Shirorogas, detailed study of the headache and migraine, you must know. All these videos are there on my YouTube channel, Ayurveda Academy playlist. Then instruments and equipments required in the ear examination. Then Karna Roga, research regarding the ear. Karna Shula, okay, Karna Nad and Karna Kshved, Badhirya, deafness, okay. Then Karna Strav, otitis media, Karna Pratinah, okay. All these aspects you must know. Brief knowledge about Karna Kandu, itching, Cluratus. Then Karnarasha, Karnar Buddha, tumors, Krimi Karna, and Karna Pali Rogas, Karna Pali, okay. Karna autoplasty, okay. Then autalgia, it's again the pain, ASOM, CSOM, deafness, and wax in the ear, wax in the ear. Acute suppurative otitis media. Acute suppurative otitis media, ASOM, and CS means chronic suppurative pus otitis media. From the that trump ear, what you can say, the tympanic membrane gets perforated and the pus is draining. Okay. Then Karnarogas, otomycosis, fungal infection, otosclerosis, then tinnitus, very common problem in nowadays, vertigo, okay, foreign body in the ear, and noise pollution. Then Nasa Rog, about the nose. As per Ayurvedic and modern view, examination of nose along with the instruments and equipments. Detailed study of the Pratishaya, running of the nose, Dushta Pratishaya. Okay. Then Nasagata Rakta Pitta, bleeding from the nose. What is that? Yes, epistaxis in summer season. Nasarsha, polyps in the nose. Brief knowledge about the Putinasa, penis, that is a sinusitis, Nasa Arbud, Nasa Shoth, and Nasa Sandhan. Detailed study of rhinitis and sinusitis, epistaxis, nasal polyp, deviated nasal septum, very common problem for the repeated infection in the nose. Okay, foreign body, all you have to study. Brief knowledge about the nasal trauma, tumors of the nose and paranasal sinuses, tumors. Okay, Mukha Roga, diseases of the oral cavity. Detailed study of the Rachana and Kriya Sharir of Mukha Roga Adhisthana, that is Oshtha, Dant, Moola, Dant, Jivha, Talu, Gala. Okay, oral cavity, all you must know. Then Mukha and Danta Swasthya, how you can maintain with Kavala and Gandusha and different Mukha Rogas. Oshtha, diseases of the lips. For example, Oshtha Prakopa and Khandoshtha, cleft lip. Khandoshtha, congenital deformity. Brief knowledge about Jalarabudha and Kshataj Oshtha Prakopa. Knowledge of the cleft lip, very common congenital disorders. Detailed study of the Mukha Gata Roga, that is periodontal diseases. Shitad, Danta Veshta, then Upakusha, Dantanadi, Dantavidradhi, and Adhimaunsa. Brief knowledge about Danta Puputaka, then Saushirya, Mahasausherya, Danta Vaidharva, Paridara, and all these diseases. Detailed study of the gingivitis, apical abscess, and periodontitis, that is pyorrhea, pus from the gums. Dantaroga, what is that? Krimidanta. Okay, caries. Danta harsha, that is hypersensitive. Enamel is gone. You may be seeing the advertisement, that is Danta. After eating the ice cream, severe pain in the head. Danta Sharkara and Hanu Moksha, temporomandibular joint. Brief knowledge about the Karala, Bhanjanaka, Kapilnaka. This type of the Ayurvedic terminology I will explain in another videos of all this terminology in detail. Then knowledge about the dental caries, dental tartar, and tooth extraction. Detailed studies about the tongue. Now tongue, Jivha Kantaka, Vataja Pittaja Kafaja. Brief knowledge about Upajivha, okay, glossitis, tongue tie. Here, congenital deformity. The tongue cannot be separate, and that becomes a problem for slurring of speech, slurred speech, tongue tie, ranula, benign and malignant tumors of the tongue. Cancer of the tongue is very common. Remember my words. Diseases of the palate. Okay, Galashundika, Talu Shosha, Talu Pak, then cleft palate, then palatis, uveitis, and tumors of the palate. Then Kantha and Galagata Roga, throat, Tundikeri, Kantha, Shaluka, Gilayu, tonsils, Galaganda, swelling over here, Swarabhed, hoarseness of voice. Brief knowledge about Rohini, Galashoth, okay, Galar Buddha, Vrindam, Valya, Balas, all this terminology I will explain in some another video, okay. But at least you must know what are the type of the syllables. Then pharyngitis, laryngitis, tonsillitis, and adenoditis. Brief knowledge about foreign body in the throat, carcinoma of larynx and pharynx. This is very important. Carcinoma of larynx. If you find any person, old people after 40, 50, change in the voice, for more than 3 weeks after giving all the basic treatments, then you must suspect that there may be laryngeal cancer. Dysphagia, difficulty in deglutition, diphtheria, now it is moreover outdated. Disease of the salivary glands. Okay, then Sarvasara Mukharog, generalized mucus affections, that is Urdhva Gud and Putti, what are the Mukharbud tumors and stomatitis. Prevention and control of the deafness, miscellaneous diseases. These are the practicals, different instruments, method of sterilization. Then Kshara Karma, Agni Karma, Raktamokshan, application of bandages here, wound management, clinical training. Okay. Then you have the long case for 30 marks, short case for 20 marks, identification of instruments. Is video is already there, Ayurveda Academy channel. 10 marks, Viva 30 marks, and journal 10 marks. Okay. So this is the last but not least that I appeal you that if anybody wants the specific paid services like PPT, audios, videos, then you can WhatsApp me 9226810630. I am very much thankful for your patience hearing. I wish that please like this video, share this video, and please ask all your classmates and all the college friends to subscribe my YouTube channel Ayurveda Academy. I wish you all the best. Please take care. Bye bye. All the best to you in your exam and practice.